Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu to everyone.
Walaikum
Assalamu
salam.
alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Okay.
Today, I am going to speak about good habits. We have become good habits, and you should speak politely to each other. You cannot speak angrily with anybody, any person, and there are lots of advantage of good habits like that. If I talk to any person with politely, and after that
Nur Muhammad, you can
he
mute
will
yourself.
speak with you politely, like talk to you, like talk to you, like talk to me. Okay, and you should have good habits in our language. You should not use bad habits to any person like them. This much only. Thank you so much, Safiqur Rahman.
Okay, okay, done. So it means you have done your topic. So it was great, good, but we have to improve more. And there are some points which I have told earlier. Now I am also going to tell you. Like suppose if you are going to talk on any topic, I told like Mr. Noor Muhammad, remember, I told like if you are going to talk in any topic, first what you have to do? You have to tell the definition. Like today you were speaking about the habits. So you can first tell like let's understand what is habit. Then you can categorize what is good and what is bad. Then you can say like how to develop, and you can say like advantage and disadvantage, then conclusion. So there are pointers like what, why, when, how. You have to apply these words and you have to just speak. Okay, done. Mr. Abdurrahman, it was great, but we have to read a lot. If you are going to read a lot, then you will be able to speak more than 5 minutes. Okay, but it
Okay,
was
okay.
good. Yes, it was good. And now you have to follow, like you have to send the recordings. Mr. Noor Muhammad, you didn't send today's recording, and Mr. Abdurrahman, you also didn't send the recording. Okay, so I'm waiting. Before 12 you both can send. Okay, so now Iram Rizvi, today you can introduce yourself. Now I'm going to introduce myself first, then you can take some pointers. Mute. You want to say something, Mr. Abdul Rahman?
No, 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 brother.
Okay, so mute. Mute. So you have to give your introduction. I know you have the pointers, but first I'm going to give my introduction. Then you can take some pointers like how should I introduce. First, you have to be confident. Okay, so hello everyone. Good evening. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Shafiqur Rahman. I am from UP Siddharth Nagar, but currently I am living in Mumbai. And if I talk about my educational qualifications, so I have completed my 10th and 12th from madrasa background, and I have completed my graduation and master's degree from Aligarh Muslim University in 2024. And after completing, I have also some extra certifications I have done computer diploma about lots of courses in spoken English, and in digital marketing I have done some courses. And apart from this, if I talk about my hobbies, So I would like to record the videos and teach students. And apart from this, I usually talk with friends. And if I talk about my interest, so I would like to just improve ourselves on a daily basis. So that's all about myself. Thank you. So this was the introduction. I have covered everything, but some pointers if I didn't cover, you can cover. Okay. Now you have to give your introduction.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Let's start.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone.
Walaikum salam.
Thank you, Shafiq, sir, to give me opportunity to introduce myself. First of all, my name is Iram Rizvi, and if we talk about my qualifications, I completed my high school from UP Board English Medium, a school from Ali in a school which is in Aligarh, and then I cracked 11th entrance exam of Aligarh Muslim University. I secured 37 rank in that, and I got senior secondary, and then I completed my plus 2 from there. And if we talk about my further qualification, so currently I am pursuing BLLB from Aligarh Muslim University. But last year I cracked three entrance in 1 year. I cracked BA BEd on the national level, and I secured rank 38 in that. And I also cracked the entrance of foreign language of Aligarh Muslim University. I got rank 25 and also got one best language, French language. And I cracked BLLB entrance also and got main campus Aligarh Muslim and got main campus of Aligarh Muslim University. If we talk about my hobbies, I really love to write sometimes poetries. Uh, like to watch dramas of other countries like China, South Korea, and there are so many countries. And sometimes listening music also. And if we talk about my interest, so my interest, I'm only interested in academics and something which related to art. That's all.
Okay, amazing. That was fantastic. Let's clap for her. Okay. So it was an amazing and fantastic introduction you have given, and everything is fine. Like you have lots of knowledge about spoken English, and your English is also good. Okay. And I think there are some like practice we have to do. Okay, if you are going to just practice every day, we are going to speak on different topics. So if you will speak within 1 month, I think you can teach me also. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, so everything is good and fine. It was superb.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, it was superb.
Sir, one thing I want to mention that I really like your session. I really like your today's session, and the way you are teaching is so very good. Everything is very fine and easy to understand. So thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you for your feedback. Because I have also taken lots of courses about spoken English, so I realize one thing: everyone is just selling the courses. They have recorded the video and they are selling the courses. Just go and watch and practice by yourself. So I don't like this. I like if someone is going to just conduct the session live and we are going to practice there. This is a very effective method which we are applying here. Okay?
Yes, sir. It
Yes.
is very effective.
Okay. So these are the parts you can say like in the class. These are the things which we are doing every single day. So Mr. Nur Muhammad, you joined the class like we are about to end the class, then you join the class. So can I know the reason?
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm going to out of station in the morning, 11 o'clock.
Okay.
So just return 8:15 p.m.
Okay.
So last join, I'm sorry,
Okay.
and no revise topics in speaking.
Okay. So
No
yes, but
ready.
we have to be punctual on the classes. Okay.
Yeah.
Try to be on time. So now if you join, like we have completed our session, like we learn about the grammar and we read the news, then we also done the speaking part, but now you have to also speak, okay? So now you have to describe, like you went to the station. So you have to just describe everything, like what you did it, when you went, how you went, why you went, when you return, everything just you can tell about your today, the entire day, what have you done. So can you tell, Mr. Noor Mohammed?
Yes.
Okay, so just start. Okay, we have only 5 minutes because we have to go for the namaz.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Uh, Today I'm pick up in the 7 a.m. So yesterday in sometime any ready for going to uh, out of station. So plan in last night. This is coming in call my teacher Nahid Ali Khan sir, my department. So with teacher going to out of station. So teacher coming my hostel and receive with teacher going to Chhatari Duraha Chhatari.
Okay.
Yes. So dinner lunch with teacher. This is a relative for teacher
Okay.
and other work in work teachers for teachers and I'm with you with teacher. So only a help teacher
Okay.
and 7 I think 7 o'clock 7 p.m. uh, return for hostel.
Okay.
So uh, just I think 20 minutes after, before 20 minutes, drop the my hostel and going to teacher in the at the home return.
Okay.
Yes.
Done.
Yes.
Okay. So you describe everything. It was good. Okay. But Mr. Noor Muhammad, like you have to practice more. Okay. And if we are going to learn the tenses, we will learn the tenses, everything, present, past, future. So you have to apply the tenses in our daily life, how you are going to use it. Okay. And now what
Yes.
you have to do,
Yes.
like suppose you are going to speak on any topic. First, like you spoke about the Aligarh Muslim University, it was amazing. If you are going to speak on any topic, so
Yes.
first try to write it in the dictionary, in the diary, in your notebook. Why? Because if you are going to write,
Oh,
yes,
good, good.
first try to read. If you want to speak on any topic, just try to read from the book, from the Wikipedia, Google, or any AI tools. You have to read. Then whatever you read, just try to write it down on the notebook, then record. Okay, then
Yes, yes.
you will speak
Oh,
in a good manner. Okay, so it will be good, it will be more good. So okay, now it was
Yes,
great
thank.
session for today, and yes, like there were more students like Rukhsar Sheikh. I don't know why she left, and Mr. Sheikh Asif was in the hospital, and well, yes, Mr. Hamdan also left the class. So we will talk later. So it was amazing, and okay. So assalamu alaikum. Thank you. Good night. We will meet tomorrow.
Wa-
Walaikum assalam, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you.